What's going on, YouTube? Ken USD coming to y'all once again with another video. Road to FU Money, part 19. And we're on the charts right now trying to pass 5 more funded accounts. I mean, 5 more evaluations. Get 5 more funded accounts. Now, we'll start with the daily. We already broke previous day's high. I want to look for times in the past that was sort of, so wait. I need a time that we broke all-time highs. Broke all-time. Push, push, push. Reset. All-time. 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 I mean, there's potential, but this shit is just really strong. Like, really strong. Now I am looking, hold on, for the buy only because I missed out on it Monday. We took out Asia. Missed out on it Tuesday, yesterday. We took out Asia. So we took out Asia just now, so I am expecting another push up. But there's not any price action for us to get in off of as of right now. And if I am going full port, it's not going to be on just some dumbass trade, especially when I already have 5 accounts. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to... Can you... Okay, I want to see if... Okay, I'm logged out. I want to see if the discount, like what the discount is right now, because I tweaked out last night. I fell asleep, didn't even buy the accounts. Crazy. 6. Okay. Tradable 50K and credit card coupon code pass. Next, let's see. Damn. Yeah, discount's gone. That's so fucked, bro. I should have just bought them accounts. Really tripping. Now, there's no 5-minute gap for me to go off of. No, damn sure not no 15. And we're just pumping. I hope today we get a pullback. Us pumping again would be pretty sick. And it's like, I don't trade on such small time frames for me to have got in right here. And there's a gap here on the 2-minute inverse. Shit, I would have already passed the account. It's crazy, but like, we don't trade the 2-minute. Need the 5. Need the 5. Okay. If we gonna sell off, this is where I'd expect us to sell off to. But we're starting to gap down. So this needs to be gray. So if we decide to hold this sell off, create a bearish gap, we'll have something to buy off of an inverse above this level. I'm gonna add an alert here just so I'll look up in the next 5 minutes if we close that gap and ruin my trade opportunity for the day. Damn. That trade idea got smacked. Just gonna have to let price action play out at this point. I probably won't even remotely be taking a setup till maybe 9 at the earliest. That's being optimistic. Okay. Let's see. Let's see.
Here we go. TP, let's get it. Another day, another.
Sales definitely may be the play for today. I just don't have a setup to do that. Hold on, we might can get a bearish gap on the 15 minute. That'd be perfect if this 15 minute could flip. And then around 9:30 we inverse that. That'd be damn nice. But if we close this gap off, I'll set an alert here. If we close this gap off, it's like, God damn. There we go. That's good. So automatically off of this level here, we will be buying. Now the only question is, how far do we sell off? Do we go ahead retest this high, or do we ignore this high? Let's see. It's possible. Yeah, it's definitely possible. As if anything isn't possible in these markets, honestly. Ignore. Yeah, it's definitely possible we could ignore this high. A lot of people are likely thinking that we will sell off all the way. I already seen a few people analysis on Twitter. I already seen a few people's analysis about US30 on Twitter, thinking that it's gonna go down to this high. So that just tells me not to be overzealous when it comes to these sells. Like, don't think that it's like set in stone. If too many people thinking that, it's a good chance that we could buy up. And buying up is what I've marked up. That's what I'm ready for. That's what I've been waiting on regardless. So we'll have to see. We'll go ahead and mark up the setup fully. Got that gap there right on top of this hourly buy level. Anything above this level here is bullish. So we got 10 minutes on this 15-minute candle though, so we would have to close pretty decent, not gonna lie. But when it comes to this 5-minute, we haven't gapped down. I'd love to get in off the 5-minute just to get a better entry, but if that's not what's going down today, that's just not what's going down today. Fuck it, we ball. There goes the gap down. We just got to maintain this bearish price action for, I'd say, like I say at least 10 more minutes if we want to get a 5 minute entry. Or the 15, honestly, we can't close that gap off in the next 9 minutes or 8 and however minutes change. There we go. There's that gap down. It is now looking like the target's going to be here, but the 15 minute in the next 6 minutes or so can definitely run down. Yeah. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to take anything at the moment, but if that changes, I'll I'll tap back in with y'all when it does change. If not, I'll just upload this as is, and I'll see y'all next time.